Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on EMPORIA Smart 5. And to do this you will need to open your settings. Now look for the security or biometrics tab. But it seems there is no such settings on this device, or actually there is security. Now if there's a fingerprint it should be right here, but it's not, and the only thing we can do is search for the settings. So enter fingerprint, fingerprint app lock. There's app for it, but there's no fingerprint on this device, so it seems you can't use it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.